Let's do the
So,
charts.
we've just been getting our butt kicked, guys. It's basically what's been happening with our positions. If you don't know what we're doing here, we just did. We're doing a $500 challenge, just using a really simple strategy, using the kimono wave on the daily. All right, and so basically we're just following the rules. We're buying on the green, we're shorting on the red dots, and we're taking profits. You know what I mean? So that's it. So right now, what's been happening since we started this? Of course, this happens right when we started. We get into this nice range here, right here. And so we've just been getting stopped out like
Would you
crazy.
say we've been
So,
diddling in the middle?
dude, we've been diddling in the middle. And I always say, don't diddle in the middle.
That's what we're doing.
Really, in this area here on the daily, like you're really just looking. The
Man, that's
smart thing to
brutal.
do here
That's
is to
brutal looking.
just, yeah, it's just to be taking, buying positions when the price gets down here. But, it's anyway. So, yesterday, we got this giant red vector candle. Red vector candles mean that's the market maker going long. Okay. So he's going to want to bring the price up here to really, to take profits. So that's what I'm seeing here, but I'm not seeing a whole bunch of evidence of a giant pump coming or anything, right? Well, here we do have this nice leg up. We could be forming on the 4 hour an oversold signal. 1 hour. This wave could be topping out here, but we could be seeing some more pumpage. 1 hour, we're getting a green vector candle too. Um, so we could see, yeah, price come up here, maybe up to this level, up to sorry, resistance here at 40K, right? Let's see if Bitcoin can break 40K. That's what we'd be looking out for here. Um, but yeah, and then we have it set up so it's like the bot is taking on the positions, right? I had it set up to it should have been shorting it last night, but it didn't. It just only got one position in, so I gotta check on that and see why it didn't fill a lot of them. But I'm not actually too upset it didn't fill it, honestly, because we'd be down right now, pretty much across the board. So not too shabby. Not too disappointed that it didn't start shorting everything today, because we could be getting a rebound. And yeah, so we'll just keep watching the charts here and seeing what happens with Bitcoin. This is a nice giant pump we're getting here as the market opens, which is typical. That happens quite often. And on the daily here, I could totally see us coming up and consuming this um, vector candle zone up here. Maybe this one too. Um, and then it makes sense, right? Coming down here, coming up, another leg down. I mean, and we haven't really hit we're trending. We broke the trend line, the first trend line, right? So we have this trend line that Bitcoin was really respecting, right? Bouncing off of it. We broke that yesterday, like solidly, and the day before, really. But yeah, I mean, we broke this solidly, and now we're treating this trend line now as resistance. Is what I'm seeing here. So we could see price maybe come up and then reject right back off of it. We have this other trend line here. All right. This is where the price is wicked down to and rejected off immediately. We could be, and I mean, yeah. So I'm expecting the price to come down to this level, right? I mean, it would make
Mm-hmm.
sense with the trend. Now, if we break this, guys, if we break that, what are we looking at here? What are we looking at? 28K.
Okay. Okay, I
But
quit.
you but you have to know, like, we still got some strong support to just before we get there. So it's not. So everyone, calm
Oh,
down.
I swear we
Everyone,
are
calm
just
down.
willing 28K into existence on this show.
Go down. I saw a meme. It's like it's programmed. It's going to
It's
28K.
the devs have
It
programmed it to
is
go to
programmed.
28K.
Yeah. But it just if these vector candle zones, the price likes to come back to it. So that's one of the big reasons why it's like, hey, we could be seeing the price come down quite a bit, guys. I mean, here, what was this? This was in January when it got down to 33K. Could it come down to there again? Maybe. I mean, if you look at like the monthly charts, right? Let's check out the monthly and see what it's doing here. I mean, we only have enough data here to give us this. Hey, we're in a very negative downward momentum. VWAP is down on the month. I mean, it's not looking too hot right now on the monthly. So it's like if April prints anything like this, right? Ooh, right. Why?
Mm-hmm.
Can you imagine another candle
Mm-hmm.
coming down here?
Oh yeah.
Um.
Yep.
So yeah, just like look at that. What's that? 28. That's 28. If it went
Okay,
down
well,
here,
this is like starting to get wasn't there like a movie where Jim Carrey's like obsessed with some number like 23 or
dude, my
something?
back wall is
20, it's
gonna be
probably
all.
28. Yeah, you're gonna
I'm
start
gonna
out
be
there's
all.
28 written all over your walls.
Yeah, I'm gonna start etching it in the glass. 28K. It's going to 28K.
Okay.
So it just doesn't look too good. Anyway, and if Bitcoin goes south like that, maybe it'd be interesting to see what kind of altcoins hold up. But all right, so let's go on to other tokens. Bitcoin is
Yeah.
kind of boring.
Yeah.
Um,
Get us out of here.
what do we got? Yeah, getting everyone out of here. All right, ApeCoin
Whew. Still.
definitely rebounded from
Mhm.
yesterday's dump right here.
Wow. Could it
But
hold?
dude, and it's just it's really trying to break this. It's like $20. It's like just get to $20,
Hey, if it can hold
It
20, that would be impressive. So
it is trying to get up there, man. So it's yeah, I mean, you gotta. This is some major pumpage for Ape, and no signs of stopping really. Let's go on the lower time frame and see. No, 4 hour, we have a green dot. That means we could be seeing some more pumpage. It is hitting some strong resistance. Market makers don't want that price to be going up to $20. So maybe we're going to see the price go lower before we get back up there. We do see a lot of vector candle zones that we could see the price return to, but no sign of that really, right? No signs of that yet.
mhm.
1 hour, we got the RSI. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. I think we could break it. We can do it. So it's at up
I'll do it.
6.6% today already, and that's definitely the top earner so far. But yeah, we're green across the board. As soon as the
Cool.
market opened, now it's just
Yeah.
New York sent it up, baby. And then let's see what other one.
Yeah.
ETH.
Anything else you want to
Check
show
out
us here? Oh
ETH.
yeah, we should definitely check out ETH.
So ETH, right? We have this sell signal, short signal here. And Bitcoin was looking like that until the market opened on the 1 hour. Let's see what it looked like now. Yeah, see, the pump could be already over. You know what I mean? It's just to trap people,
That's sometimes how it
get it
works. Yep.
pumping, get people to go long,
And then
tank it, damp it.
sometimes
So yeah,
sometimes it be like
anyway, so
that.
the bot should have. So what happened was we should have had bots opening shorts yesterday, but I'm gonna look into why that
Hmm.
didn't happen,
Hopefully
and
it's
I
not my
might get
fault.
us. It's the dev's fault. It's
Oh
the
no.
dev's fault.
Uh-oh.
But yeah, I'll probably get some positions entered in today, so we have
Some
more
more to
more
look at.
dusty bags to tomorrow. Yeah.
And more dusty bags to laugh at.
Yes, exactly.
It's just
Yes.
yeah. Yeah.